Turning setbacks into stepping stones, a guide to embracing failure and rejection. Have you ever felt discouraged after facing rejection or failure? Do you wonder why some people bounce back while others feel stuck? Today, we're diving into the powerful ways you can turn setbacks into stepping stones and use failure as fuel for growth. 1. Redefine failure as feedback. First up, redefine failure as feedback. Instead of seeing failure as a dead end, try looking at it as valuable information. Each setback can reveal areas for growth and improvement, helping you refine your approach and move forward with more clarity. When you start to see failure this way, it becomes less scary. It's just a stepping stone to something greater. 2. Separate self-worth from success. Next, separate your self-worth from success. Remember, rejection doesn't define your value. Just because an idea, project, or effort didn't work out doesn't mean you are a failure. Embrace the idea that failure is simply an event, something that happened, not a definition of who you are. Your worth goes far beyond any single setback. 3. Practice resilience and patience. Every great success story includes setbacks. Practicing resilience means bouncing back and remaining patient, knowing that each attempt brings you closer to your goal. Stay focused, stay patient, and remind yourself that every step, even backward ones, is part of the journey. 4. Learn the lessons and adjust your approach. Failure is only valuable if you learn from it. Take a moment to analyze what went wrong. Did you need more preparation? A different strategy? Learning from setbacks allows you to adjust your approach. Each lesson makes you smarter, stronger, and more prepared for your next attempt. 5. Focus on long-term growth, not immediate results. Setbacks can be hard, but remember, short-term rejections often lead to long-term success. By focusing on growth instead of instant results, you take the pressure off each individual attempt. Growth takes time, and so does success. Focus on where you're headed, not just the bumps in the road. 6. Embrace a growth mindset. Finally, embrace a growth mindset. Believe that your skills and talents can develop through effort, learning, and persistence. When you approach failure with a growth mindset, you see every setback as an opportunity to learn, improve, and get one step closer to your dreams. Inspiring message and call to action. Failure and rejection are just parts of the journey. They're stepping stones, not walls. By redefining failure, staying resilient, learning from mistakes, and focusing on growth, you can turn every setback into a powerful step forward. So, the next time you face a setback, remember these 6 steps. Embrace the challenge and know that with each stumble, you're becoming stronger and more prepared for success. Now go out there and make those stepping stones count. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill.